guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simply Cristal. So today's video is going to be my BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm just going to be doing it trial style for you guys, where I try on the products on camera and give you guys my opinion on these products, and I'll also be sharing with you guys the overall value at the end of this video. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, before we get on to the video, please make sure you press that subscribe button down below. I'm so close to having like 100 subscribers at 51, so I need 49 more subscribers to get to 100. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below, and also please give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section. I love when people comment my videos. It just gives me like more purpose to film. It gives me more motivation to film. So if you have any comments you want to say or anything like that, please comment in the comment section. The first thing that I wanted to try on is this right here. This is by Peach and Lily. This is the Glass Skin Refining Serum. So this is a serum that claims that it can give you glassy, transparent, poreless skin, and it also has peach extract in it. It has yam peptides in it. It has hyaluronic acid, which is really, really good for hydration. And so this is just a serum. This morning, because I knew I was going to use this, I just washed my face. I put one of my serums. I'm gonna try this serum right here, and this serum says that you can use it at night and you can use it in the daytime, and it's a daily serum. So I'm just going to apply about like a pump of this serum on my skin, or maybe 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna apply it. It doesn't have a smell actually. It has no smell. Maybe I can't smell because my nose is a little stuffy, but to me it does not have a smell at all, which is really good because I have sensitive skin to smells and things like that. So smell, like high fragrance skincare, is not good for my skin whatsoever. But as I'm using this, it feels very like hydrating, and I'm just gonna pat this on. And I don't know if it'll really make my skin look like glass. I don't know. I have a lot of dark spots and things like that. But I like the way it feels. Like my skin definitely feels more hydrated after I use this, and I love that it has no smell to it. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and put my moisturizer and my sunscreen, and I'll be right back. So I'm back now. I decided to prime my eyelids already. I already primed them with concealer, and when I feel my skin right now after putting on my moisturizer, it feels so soft. Like my skin feels so smooth and so just hydrated and really nice. So the next thing in the box that I got is this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Primer. I don't have a lot of illuminating face primers because I don't have like dry skin or anything like that. I have more combination skin where my T-zone is oily and the rest of my skin is like more normal. So I tend to stay away from these, but I'm going to try this primer out and see how good it is. So this is more like oh, okay. It comes out of like a plastic thing. This reminds me of the Touch in Sol No Problem primer. And so, but the Touch in Sol one's like a liquid, and this is more like this is liquidy too, but it's a little thicker. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I see like little specks of glitter in it as well. So I'm like kind of nervous to see like if this makes my skin like super like greasy. It feels really hydrated. It feels very healthy. It feels very good, and it feels like it's ready for foundation. Since we didn't really get much for the eyes in the box, I got these two eyeshadows for my eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this part of me doing my eyes because I don't think you guys really care. Let's start off with the Modern Renaissance palette, because the 2 eyeshadows I got from the box, like this one, which is gonna be a main one, is like pink, and the silver. But you guys will see everything that I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. to do my foundation, concealer, and my eyebrows all off camera. So another thing that we got in our box is this right here. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. I got mine in the shade Golden Bronze. In the BoxyCharm, I really like how they had two options. They had the translucent powder, I guess, for like fair to medium skin, and then the Golden Bronze for like dark to deep skin. So I really like how they did that. And I've heard a lot of good things about this powder. Like, it's like very like cooling and refreshing. So we're just gonna try this out underneath my eyes. I'm gonna also use it to set like my whole face with it. This brush right here, and just use that to set my under eyes and my face. Ooh, now I see what they were saying. I was watching I think like Kathleen Light's video, and she was saying that this feels kind of wet, and it really does feel kind of wet. Very nice of them to include like a Becca product, because I know Becca is so expensive. So I really like how they included that full size. Well, BoxyCharm usually does full size, but I really like the way it feels on my skin, and it really like cleared up like all the like little pores I had on my cheeks. And I mean, from a close-up, when I see it, my skin just looks so smooth with this. So I know from like far away, my skin will just look like really, really flawless. So I really like how it looks on my skin, the powder. Finish the rest of my face, my eyes off camera, and I'm gonna show you guys the last product that I got in the box, which is a lip liner, and we'll be done with this look. So I finished up my eyes and I did my whole face, and this is basically the whole look. And I even added lashes. I used the Kiss lashes. They're my favorite false lashes ever. The final thing in the box that we got is this lip liner pencil by Steve Laurent. I've never heard of this brand before, and it's just like a standard wooden pencil. These aren't my favorite types of lip liners, but the color is really, really pretty, and it matches the eyes perfectly. So I'm just going to line my lip. I'm actually gonna fill in my whole lips with this lip liner. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything you ever wanted. Making me feel really good. No one can do it like you. Pretty lip color. The only thing is that it's so stiff, the lip liner, because it's like some wooden lip liners are more creamier than this, but this one is very kind of hard to work with. So I'm just gonna add a little lip gloss on top of it, because I just feel like it's kind of patchy, and I just want to like fix it a little bit. Take this Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss, and this is in the shade Strawberry Lemonade, and I'm just gonna apply that on top of this lip liner. Now this looks so much better, and this lip gloss is actually a really nice lip gloss. It's not like sticky or anything like I thought it would be. This is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys like the look that I created with this month's BoxyCharm. I really like the products that we got in this month's bag. I see myself using all of them. Maybe not the lip liner anymore because it was so stiff to work with, but I love the eyeshadows a lot. I really like the Becca powder. Even the primer was actually not that bad, because like when I look at my skin's not like super like greasy or oily or anything like that. And I really do like the Glass Skin serum. It's really good, and I'm a skincare junkie, so anything skincare, like I'm like, give it to me. So anyways, this is the final look. That is it for this video. I actually cannot find my card with the overall value of this month's box, but I'll leave it in the description box down below for you guys. I'll put the number in. And thank you again for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys so much. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below, and also please give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you again for watching my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.